learner's mother tongue greatly influence their pronunciation when learning English. The sounds in their native language can affect how they produce English words, and especially if the two languages have different sound systems. For example, if a learner's native language doesn't use certain English sounds, they may replace them with sounds they are more familiar with. The rhythm, the intonation from their mother tongue also carry over, affecting how their English sounds overall. In this session, 3 participants will practice pronouncing the same word. So, the first participant is me, Halesha. So I'm from Indihiang, and the second participant is Meymey from Ciawi, and the third participant is Davina from Citapen. And although we come from different districts in the same region, we will pronounce the same word. The purpose of this practice is to explore the difference or maybe the similarities in pronunciation that may arise to various dialect or accent. So this is part of study in phonetics and phonology, which focus on how speech sounds are produced and perceived.
YouTube. YouTube.
YouTube. YouTube.
YouTube. YouTube.
Shopping. Berbelanja.
Shopping. Berbelanja.
Shopping. Berbelanja.
Little. Kecil.
Little. Kecil.
Little. Kecil.
Showing. Menunjukkan.
Showing. Menunjukkan.
Showing. Menunjukkan.
Better. Lebih baik.
Better. Lebih baik.
Better. Lebih baik.
Regional accents from the learner's native language can further influence how English words are pronounced. For instance, the word better might be pronounced with a clear T sound in some regions, while in others it may sound more like a soft D. This difference happens because regional speech habits affect how learners pronounce certain sounds in English, leading to varied accents or pronunciations.